Why Facebook ads are important? Facebook ads are important because of the following reasons. Number one, Facebook is still the most used social media platform. Therefore, if you put your ads on Facebook, more people will see your ads and therefore they will buy more. Facebook ads still have the highest ROAS among other social media platforms. Number two, Facebook ads still has the highest return on investment for any social media platforms. Number three, with Facebook ads, we can micro target audiences. You can target people based on behavior, interest, demographic, age range, education types, income level, and much more. Number four, any person or business, regardless of how big or small they are, can do Facebook ads. You can start with any amount of budget, how big or small. Number five, we can design the ads according to our specific objective. Facebook have made it really easy. We can do images, videos, collection of images, collection of videos, catalogs, and much more. Number six, Facebook ads have many objectives like conversion ads, lead campaign, app install campaign. So whatever the objective may be for your business, Facebook ads have that campaign type. Number seven, Facebook ads have robust analytics. You can quickly scale up your campaign with the help of your analytics. There is no guesswork going on. You will make decision based on data. Number eight, with Facebook ads, you can quickly scale up your campaign and many businesses have done it. Number nine, you can do A/B testing with Facebook ad. You can test images, ads, campaign type, audience, creative, and much more. Number 10, you can do remarketing with Facebook ads. You can target people who have visited your website or Facebook or Instagram page, but they have not bought from you. You can target these people easily with Facebook ads.